Oh, wait a minute. There are people watching this video? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see you there. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Lisa Simpson from The Simpsons. And let me give you a little disclaimer before the video starts. The following video is a wake stub created by using AI technology. It is not created for an actual voice actor. I know I'm supposed to be with my brother Bart and playing my saxophone right now, but anyway, enjoy the scene from Big Bird in China where the monkey teases Barkley, but Barkley has Clifford's voice and Big Bird has June's voice. Oh, and speaking of Clifford, I think Clifford fits perfectly with Barkley, because newsflash, Clifford and Barkley are both dogs. Anyways, I better get back to meeting with Bart. Enjoy the video.
Monkey with a clue. Be quiet, Barkley. I'm trying to find a monkey. Hey, Barkley, would you please stop? I'm just trying to find a monkey with a clue.